snowstorm going on in Canada, Toronto, Ontario. Almost every year we face this kind of situation. That's not fun. It looks like beautiful, but when you face it, it's not that much easy. It's very, very bad situation for all of us, especially the communication, transportation. Everything is going very slow. Like TTC, bus, train, streetcar. It's very hard time for them to move. Most of the time, bus and train, they have some situation. They're stuck in the middle of the road, middle of the way. They can't move because of the extreme snow.